Can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend. You know you left me lonely. I could tell them the whole story. It may take.
Hi everybody, this is Landon. I was just gonna review some glorious bags that Viking sent to me. They're the 15-liter incognito quick mount bags for the Sportster, well, Nightster, excuse me. So these guys are beautiful, right? Okay. So not only do you have this handy dandy zipper pouch, but you also have this waterproof enhancing bag. All right, and on the inside of this guy you have a place to put like your iPad. It's padded, you can see that, and it velcros down. Close your fun stuffs up in your bag. No murder kits. And then make sure you don't store your keys in there like we're doing right now, but that way your bag is completely secured. You've got these carabiners, all these loops to add extra equipment that you were to need. These all adjust. They got super cool Velcro fittings on here, so you just come to a T like that, so you can wrap it around and do whatever with them. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 for each bag. And then I will say, I wanted to let everybody know, if you have a Sissy bar, you will need longer bolts by about 30 more millimeters for them to be able to fit in. But with that being said, it's quick attach. So you pull the little lever, pull that down and slide those up. And then to slide it back on, you just line all these guys up and it clicks back into place, and she is secure. And take your little quick release pull and you can secure it on anywhere. I just secure mine like that and then twist it up so it's not flopping around in the breeze. But these little guys are pretty awesome. Lots of storage space. The other one is crammed full of junk right now, and we'll walk over here and show you just how stuffed that you can get these guys. So I'm not a little guy. That fits my hoodie, well, flannel, a glasses rag. I got extra storage still in there, even with fitting all that in there with ease. You can easily fit several more like cans of soda or bottles of water or whatever you want to put in there. 15 liters. That is a lot of storage for bags. Definitely go visit vikingbags.com. They had some other new bags for the Nightster as well. One of the only places that I've seen that you can even get bags is from Viking Bags. So definitely stop and check it out. They've been nothing but fabulous. Anytime I've had any kind of questions, someone was right back to me pretty much immediately. As you can see, Vikings bag, Vikings bag, Vikings bag, Vikings bag. Definitely make sure that you go and visit and support. Very cool people. I wouldn't recommend something that I absolutely loathe to anybody, and hence the full transparency on the bolt size. You will need longer bolts if you have a Sissy bar. If not, fit fine. But if you do have stuff, ask questions. Someone will guide and direct you, I'm sure. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate it.
Can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. don't play pretend, cause you think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.